So I'll be showing you how to reset or how to change an Instagram chat theme back to the default color. So Instagram chats normally look like this. Okay, you can see the white background. You can see the text is black with that little gray background. So this is the default look of an Instagram DM. Okay. Now, if you had changed to something different, for instance, if you have a quick look at a chart like this one, you can see we have a theme on that particular chart. Okay, so the background is green and everything looks weird. So to reset this back to default, what you want to do is open the chart and then tap on the person's name in the top, and that opens this window and you should see theme. So tap on theme and then scroll down until you get to the colors and gradients section, and at the top of the colors and gradients section you should see default. So select that, and once it says default under theme, you can now go back and the chart is now back to normal. Okay, so that's basically how to change the chart theme or chart color on Instagram back to default. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.